Which glass cutter actually works? Simple question, but the answer isn't so obvious. Every option looks similar online, but the real difference shows up when you're trying to make a clean cut. Today, I'm breaking down 5 popular choices so you know exactly what to pick. Product number 1: Diamond Disc Blade for Grinder. First up is this 412x 7/8-inch diamond cutting disc from a no-name brand, sold in a pack of 3 for $17.75. What caught my eye was how many people are buying it, over 900 sold last month, despite 0 reviews. If you're cutting glass tiles or bottles with an angle grinder and need a fast, aggressive cut, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This isn't a hand scribe, it's a grinding blade designed to slice through thick glass, ceramic, jade, and even wine bottles when mounted on an angle grinder. The diamond-coated edge lasts longer than standard abrasives, and having 3 discs means you won't be stuck mid-project. It's ideal for rough cuts or shaping, not precision scoring. Think of it like using a saw instead of a knife. It gets the job done fast, but you lose fine control. Now, some people might complain about chipping or uneven edges, and honestly, that's fair. This isn't for delicate stained glass work. You'll need steady hands and proper safety gear because glass fragments fly. Also, without a guide, it's easy to veer offline. But for DIYers turning bottles into lamps or cutting tile edges, the speed and power outweigh the mess. This is perfect for you if you already own an angle grinder and need to cut thick or hard glass quickly. Skip this one if you're doing detailed art glass or want clean, straight scores without grinding. At under $6 per disc, it's a solid value for heavy-duty tasks. Product number 2: Fletcher Terry Steel Wheel Cutter. Next is the Fletcher Terry 1122, a classic steel wheel glass cutter priced at just $8.87. Despite no ratings, over 400 were sold recently, proof that pros and hobbyists still trust this name. If you want an affordable, no-frills tool for basic glass scoring, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Steel wheels are sharper and more rigid than carbide on thin glass, giving you a cleaner score line with less pressure. That means fewer fractures and better control on materials like picture frame glass or window panes under 1/8-inch thick. It's lightweight, fits comfortably in your hand, and doesn't need oil, just score and snap. Professionals often keep one as a backup because it's reliable and cheap to replace. Now, some people complained it dulls faster than carbide, and that's true. Steel wears down quicker, especially on thicker or tempered glass. You'll need to replace it more often if you're cutting daily. Also, it lacks a reservoir for cutting oil, so you have to apply it manually, which can be messy. This is perfect for you if you're doing occasional repairs or working with thin, clear glass and want a budget-friendly option. Skip this one if you're cutting bottles, stained glass, or anything over 1/8-inch. Carbide handles those better. For under $9, it's a great entry-level pick. Product number 3: Godera Bottle Cutter Kit. Now we're stepping up with the Godera Glass Bottle Cutter and Oil Bundle at $31.70. Over 400 sold, and it includes both the cutter and 10 ml of cutting oil, something most kits skip. If you're into DIY crafts like making lamps or wind chimes from bottles, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The dual cutting heads 3/6 mm and 6/12 mm let you adjust for different bottle thicknesses, and the wooden base keeps everything stable while you rotate the bottle. The included oil reduces friction, prevents blade wear, and minimizes chipping, key for clean breaks. Plus, the built-in guides help beginners get consistent cuts without freehand guesswork. This isn't just a cutter, it's a full system for recycling glass into art. Now, some people said the wood base warps over time or the screws loosen, and yeah, that happens if you don't tighten them before each use. Also, it only works on round bottles, so flat-sided jars won't fit. And honestly, the oil bottle is tiny, you'll likely need to buy more. This is perfect for you if you're crafting with wine or beer bottles and want a guided, beginner-friendly setup. Skip this one if you need to cut flat glass panes or irregular shapes. For the price, it's a solid bundle, just keep spare oil handy. Product number 4: TOYO TC17B Brass Super Cutter. Now, if Godera's kit feels too craft-focused, the TOYO TC17B is where precision begins. At $35.61, it's made in Japan and built like a tool, not a toy. Over 300 sold, and it's a favorite among stained glass artists. If you need consistent, clean scores on decorative or functional glass, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 140 degrees tungsten carbide wheel is optimized for glass between 2 and 6 thick, perfect for most art and window glass. The brass body is precision machined for smooth, wobble-free scoring, and the self-foiling reservoir keeps the wheel lubricated for miles of cuts. That means less drag, fewer fractures, and longer blade life. The hexagonal cap stops it from rolling off your bench, small detail, huge convenience. Now, some beginners said it feels stiff at first or requires practice to master the pressure, and that's true. Unlike cheaper cutters, this one rewards technique. If you press too hard or too soft, your score won't break clean. It's not instant gratification. This is perfect for you if you're serious about glass art or installations and want a pro-grade tool. Skip this one if you're just cutting a few bottles for fun. At $35, it's an investment, but it lasts years. Product number 5, TOYO Pistol Grip Cutter. Finally, the TOYO Pistol Grip at $46.89, also made in Japan and the most ergonomic option here. Only 200 sold, but it's beloved by professionals who cut all day. If you're doing long sessions or have hand fatigue, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The pistol grip reduces hand strain by letting you use your whole arm, not just your wrist. The tungsten carbide wheel matches the TC17B's quality, and the built-in oil reservoir ensures smooth scoring. It's designed for repetitive, precise cuts, think mosaic work or custom glass panels. The weight and balance make it feel like an extension of your hand. Now, some people said it's overkill for small projects, and they're right. If you're cutting one bottle a month, this is too much. Also, the grip design takes time to get used to if you've only used pencil-style cutters. This is perfect for you if you're a frequent glassworker or have arthritis or weak grip strength. Skip this one if you're a casual DIYer. At nearly $47, it's the priciest, but for daily use, it's worth every penny. So which one should you pick? The diamond disc for grinder power, Fletcher Terry for cheap simplicity, Godera for bottle crafts, TOYO TC17B for precision art, or the pistol grip for all-day comfort? It depends on your project. But now you know exactly what each one does and doesn't do. Pick the right tool and your cuts will be cleaner, safer, and way more satisfying.